choose a ship. Raft. Add pretty decorations to the ship. Let's go, little captain. Captain Kiki, the princess mermaid is captured by the octopus. Can you find them? I'll find the princess mermaid. Follow the map to find the octopus and the princess mermaid. The princess mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going. Princess mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. Some logs on the raft are broken. Find the broken logs and replace them with new ones. The new log is too long. Please cut it short. Then fasten with ropes. Our ship has been repaired. Here is your reward. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. Complete a task and get a piece of the ship. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. There is a storm. Be careful. Slide the ship to dodge up. Steer the ship to the nearest port. Watch out! The storm is getting stronger. The storm is even stronger. Let's speed up. Yeah, we are at the port. Tie the rope and secure the ship. You are safe from the storm. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. Collect all pieces to unlock this ship. Keep going. Keep sailing. Let's go. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. Go. The destination is in. The princess. Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him.
I will get you.
Let's tap on the... catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Here is your reward. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. All pieces of the dragon boat have been collected. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. Go! The destination is in sight. Keep sailing. Let's go. Help! Man overboard! Let's save them! Help! Help! Throw the life buoys to save them! Captain Kiki, all our stuffs fell into the water. Can you help us find them? No problem. Let's get everyone's stuff back. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Here, please open it. Wow, you've got a stick. The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going. Keep sailing. Let's go. The Princess Mermaid is on that island. The Princess Mermaid is right here. We need to unlock this coded lock before entering. Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape. Welcome, Captain Kiki. Mr. Octopus wants you think of it. Really?
That's right. Let's be friends and enjoy delicious food.
Okay. Great job. Here's your reward. Wow, you've got many rewards. Yeah, the dragon boat is unlocked. Keep going. Dragon boat. Please choose some pretty decorations. Let's go, little captain. The fireworks show is about to start. Captain Kiki, can you deliver fireworks fuel? Count on me. I will deliver them fast and safe. Follow the map to get to the place of the fireworks show. Whoa! Be sure to load all fireworks fuel onto the ship. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's defeat him.
I will get you.
Let's tap on the fruit bowl.
I will be back.
You have defeated the pirate. Great job. Here is your reward. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. We're about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. Then let's paint the dragon boat. Our ship has been prepared. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. We're about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. Go! The destination is in sight. Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Here is your reward. Yeah, you've got Ah! That ship is on fire! Let's put out the fire! Put out the fire on the ship with foam! Oil spills can contaminate the ocean. Be sure to clean it up thoroughly. Great! The fire was put out in time. Here is your reward. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. All pieces of the hovercraft have been collected. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. The sea monster is getting in our way. Chase the sea monster away. Watch out! Here comes the octopus monster. The sea monster is defeated. Here is your reward. Please open it.